Hello, and this is Computer Tutorial Videos, just doing a very quick video on how to prevent Discord from starting up at startup. So when Discord starts up, you always get the little icon saying starting, and it always starts up with your computer by default. But some of you, if you're watching this video, you don't want Discord to start up, then this video is for you. Now you may have already tried to go into the msconfig app to try and disable Discord from startup, but if you have a look at these services, you'll see that Discord isn't there. And if you go into the startup items, you'll see that Discord also isn't mentioned in the startup list. So this might leave you feeling a bit confused. So what you actually have to do is you have to go into Discord itself. So what you do, once you're in Discord, you just go into the this little wheel here, this little cog wheel in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. User settings, click on that, and then you want to go into scroll down, and you want to go to Windows settings, and then you want to, if you don't want it to start up, first of all, if you want it to start off by default, this will be like this. If you want to start it minimized, so that it doesn't sort of pop up whenever you start up your computer, you can just click on that. If you don't want it to start up at all, then click on uncheck this one, open Discord, and it won't start up at all. So it means that if you do want to launch Discord, you just have to double click on the icon on your desktop, and it will just take like 30 seconds or so to load up. I have it on. I'm gonna have it on start minimize, just so that, because I got fed up of it starting up with the annoying sort of moving icon every time I start up my computer. So that's how to do it, guys. That's how to prevent Discord from starting up. Just found this out today on my own, because I was confused about why it wasn't in like the msconfig or the startup items list, and yeah, you have to go into the program setting itself to stop it from starting up with Windows. So that's how you do it, guys. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, leave a comment down below if you need more assistance or if this helped you as well. Okay, guys, that's all for now. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace.